Hello friends, government is laying its utmost thrust to promote India as a tourist destination due to its rich cultural heritage. The tourism and hospitality industry is one of the largest service industries in India. Tourism is an integral pillar of the Make in India program. So, to know about these stocks which can benefit from this initiative, stay tuned with us till the last minute of this video where we have a surprise for you. India offers geographical diversity, World Heritage sites and niche tourism products like cruises, adventure, medical tourism, ecotourism, etc. Incredible India has spurred growth in tourist arrivals and employment through introduction of new tourist trains and rejuvenation of tourist spots. India has emerged as the world's fastest growing tourism market. So what are the government initiatives to propel this sector? The government has launched Swadesh Darshan scheme to develop world-class infrastructure and promote cultural and heritage value of the country, which is a step towards promoting tourism. The National Mission for Pilgrimage Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive, that is the Prasad scheme, was also launched by the Ministry for the Development and Beautification of the Pilgrimage Sites to tap the growth of domestic tourists driven by spiritual and religious sentiments. The government had also set up the Department of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, that is Ayush, to coordinate growth and propel investment in the sector. So what has the government done to ease the tourism sector? The government is setting up a web-based public delivery system for recognition of travel trade service providers and for classification of hotels in order to ease the process of filing applications by travel trade service providers seeking recognition from the ministry. This is a step to bring in transparency in granting the approvals. The government has also launched an app called Swachh Paryatan, which will let citizens report any hygiene issues at various tourist destinations across the country. India has liberalized its FDI policy in recent times and now allows 100% FDI under the automatic route in tourism and hospitality, 100% FDI in tourism construction projects, including the development of hotels, resorts and recreational facilities, and 100% FDI in the Ayush sector, which is relevant for the wellness and medical tourism segments. So now, which are the stocks benefiting under this initiative? So, to know that, you need to subscribe to Stockage app. Here, under the premium option, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criterias like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here, you can check all the scans which these stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks, and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So, to know that, we are giving you a coupon code YT100 which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of Stockage, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So, what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know the stocks which can give you the best returns under Stockage Premium version. Thank you.